Raptor Restoration specializes in installing, replacing, and repairing both metal and asphalt shingle residential roofing systems. We're committed to using the highest quality materials for every job. As a residential roofing contractor in Greenwood, Indiana, we understand the unique weather challenges your home may face. That's why we only use products from manufacturers that provide industry-leading warranties. Your roof is your first line of defense against the elements, so we ensure that every installation is done with precision and care. Our experienced, trained workers take pride in every project, treating your home as if it were their own. Choosing our services means investing in a roofing system built to last. Our high-quality materials are designed to withstand even the toughest conditions. Our skilled team is well-versed in the latest roofing technologies, ensuring your home benefits from modern, durable solutions. We stay updated on the best practices in the roofing industry. If you're ready to enhance the protection and value of your home, our roofing professionals is here to help. Let's start by discussing your specific roofing needs today. Call us at 317-886-0696 or check us at raptorrestorationusa.com/services/residential-roofing to learn more about our services. Raptor Restoration, where quality roofing meets peace of mind.